At Our Ability, we have two ways that you can build your profile. One is by filling out the form, and the second one is by using our proprietary chatbot, Abby. Abby is the first three letters of Ability. So how do you go about this, building your profile? Again, I'm going to show you both ways. The first way is with Abby. So you come into the Jobs Ability portal. Here is Jobs Ability. It's loading. You'll notice that there's a chatbot on the right-hand side of the screen. And there's two ways to go about that. You can start answering the questions that Abby provides you to come into the portal. Yes, you want to sign up now. If you've already created your sign up, you're going to log back in, and your username and your password have already saved and been there. Once you come into the portal, though, you're going to notice a couple of things. The first is we tell you that there are two ways to interact with our system, either the form interface or the active chatbot, Abby. Once you agree that you understand that, then you come onto your dashboard. You can complete your profile. You'll see profile completion at this point for me is 60%. You can complete your profile by clicking Complete Profile, or you can work with Abby down here in the right-hand corner, activate Abby Support. And what Abby Support will do is we'll ask you the same questions that are in the form field, and you can answer them here under Abby, and they will go into your profile. And so the way the profile works is if you want to use Abby, go ahead, and if you want to use the form field, that's fine, go ahead. There are really three buckets. The first bucket is personal, the second is background, and the third is abilities and preferences. And what we want you to do is to fill out the information in all three buckets. And so who you are, your email address, which you've already put in, your address, because that's how we're helping you look for jobs, or if you're looking to relocate. Second, background. We want you to put in as much information as you can on your ideal job, on the skills that you have, and we want you to add degrees, credentials, and any work history that you have. It's really important that you go about doing this because this is the information that we need to help you look for a position. And then the third part, and again, you can use Abby or you can use the form field, are the skills questions that we need answered that will help you build your profile. And so as you do this, as you click and answer these questions, you're going to come down and hit submit. And once you hit submit, it's going to go into your profile, and it's going to increase your number on your profile completion. Again, you can use Abby if you so choose, or you can use the form field. Either way helps us help you build your profile and look for open positions.